captain Shan Masood won the toss and decided he'd bat first. Let's join our commentators as Bagh Stallions comes out to bat.
Didn't really come out to the bat this one. Was a short delivery. That was a gift for Shan Masood. Oh, he's taken. He's struck in his second over. Bowled that one short. Lack of pace was the reason. The downfall of El Nazir. Not quite timing it, slicing the ball off the face of the bat.
Yeah, Saman can't continue in this train of his. A bit of a golden arm. He's getting wickets at will so far in this tournament. Brilliant stuff. And just had a feeling, hell, Nazir not really going over or under, just throwing the hands at that. And finding Talib in the outfield. He's gone for 2. Bagh Stallions 12 for 1. And there we go. Decided to go downtown.
Zishan Malik yet to make his mark in the KPL.
This time a bit of room, smokes it to the leg side, and that's gone into the stands. So we're seeing Zishan, they're not worried about rotating strike at this stage, deciding they're going for maximums.
Cuts away in the air and it's in the gap, so a boundary, a much needed one. It's only the 4th boundary of the innings. Good shot, and he's got him. I'll tell you what, he went for the boundary again and he's cleaned him up. That is a big wicket. We said he's going to have to try and play a bit of catch up in this over. Going for a boundary the previous ball. This time straight, good length, trying to hoik it across the line and has knocked him over.
Zishan Malik gone for 70, Bagh 31.
The old broomstick out first ball.
That's Asad Shafiq for you. 4 of the first delivery. The team is in trouble.
Shot. What a beauty. 4 more. He's gone for the lap sweep. He's got that fine. That's a real touch shot, a class stroke at early on in your innings.
Another wicket here. Shahid Afridi, the captain, strikes and puts Bagh Stallions once again in the lower gear. Just when they touch 50 runs, trying to go for a big one. Nice catch, just at the boundary ropes. The big wicket, or Asad Shafiq, walks back to the dugout. Rawalakot Hawks, the tough opponent. The idea was right, coming down the wicket, opening the face of the bat, but still not being able to clear the ropes. So 3 down now for 50. Bagh Stallions, after winning the toss batting first, it's 50 for 3 in the 9th. Gets an edge, gone. That's a big wicket there. Well, the experience of Asif Afridi comes into play. Was trying to make room, opened the face, but couldn't beat back foot point. That's a huge blow to the Bagh Stallions.
Big blow. Their top player looking to force the pace. Very well bowled. He just took the pace off it, which allowed Masood not the opportunity to get on top of it and time it. It's been a different sort of innings from him today. He can't always be expected to do it on his own. So Masood comes, his innings comes to an end, 20 of 24.
The wicket. Oh, run out chance. Make it a good throw to the keeper. Trouble here. Just get a feeling he's made it. Just get a feeling.
Looking good. Looking good. Good take by the keeper. And well, now we know why he wasn't excited. That's a given. Long way out. Any sign there of perhaps the keeper's back leg knocking the barrels off? I don't think so. I think it was all glove work. All glove work.
Yep, let's have the call out. That's 5 down now. In the air, he hasn't got hold of it. Is there trouble here? Oh, that was a good dive. That was an excellent dive put in by the fielder there. Oh, he's hurt himself, Ahmed Shahzad, but that was surely a 200% effort.
Bowling got very tightly, but this time Amir Yamin took a huge chance to hit the ball against the spin. He went again, and this time even bigger. Amir Yamin is looking to turn the things on for Bagh Stallions. Of course, Shahid Afridi to shorten his length, and he was ready for it. To hit the ball long is working for Bagh Stallions. Iftikhar got into the act. Edged. No protection for the bowler in that area. 4 runs. That's in the air. First ball, and he has struck Hussain Talat. What a change made by Shahid Afridi.
Pace off the ball now. Hussain Talat is not express fast. A good medium pacer hitting the right length. And a big wicket. Iftikhar gone. Slower one there. Wanted to hit it over mid-off, but Shahid Afridi was there. Excellent bowling, excellent captaincy, good fielding.
From here on. A bit of that.
And was saying, oh, that's an incredible shot again.
Was in the air, into the gap. Another boundary scored in this over. This has been a very good over for Bagh Stallions.
Shot. It's in the air, but will clear. He's super. It's just the bad lens. Have a look at that. Same area. It's a boundary this time. It wasn't that short, Monik, but he's just shuffled across so quickly deep in the crease that he's been able to pull it. Oh, he doesn't even want to look at that because he's felt it on his bat, hasn't he? Oh, it's just now becoming a routine, isn't it? These runs are being leaked here. Shahid Afridi is just watching from mid-off.
And that flies high and handsome to third man. And now Saif Afridi runs around. That's a neat catch. Don't always expect those to fly down to third man. He's had a good day so far as a left-arm spinner. Yeah, he's good with the ball. Set the toe 2 for 21, and then in the outfield does this.
Yeah, just had a wild swing at it. Gets that outer edge, flies to Asif Afridi. Good catch, as he said. Where Asif goes for 14 of 9. He's hit that. It's the toe end of the bat, but he still managed to clear it nice and easy. That's a great shot. The length is absolutely wrong. Now he's becoming a touch predictable. Left arm over. He's going to bowl across him. He's trying to go bowl full and wide, so he's ready for it. High on the bat, and still manages to pierce it through the 2 fielders. He's hit it so nicely, as if he's got a geometry set with him. Edge gone. So Waqas Maqsood gets the final laugh, gets rid of that danger man. Well, in fact, it's not him. It's Ilyas who's gone out because it was a single. So beg your pardon, Ilyas goes. Some redemption for Waqas Maqsood. 19 gone. 149 for 8. Last over of the innings. And what's happened here? He's got him. First ball earns him another wicket here. Amir Yamin gets out. Oh, slight fumble there will allow them to come back for the second. Sami Afridi down there. So 2 runs of the last ball. Well, at the end of the 20 overs, Bagh Stallions were struggling in the beginning, but then thanks to Amir Yamin's 69 of 34 helped them to get to 156 for 9. Some performances up in the order, Masood got 20 and later on a little quick fire 14 of 9 from Umaid Asif. For a moment it looked like Rawalakot Hawks boys will wrap up this a little quicker than it was, but 156 for 9 was on the cards. 3 wickets for Zaman, and again performing so well for his side. 2 for Asif Afridi, a wicket apiece for Waqas Maqsood, Shahid Afridi and Hussain Talat. Target is clear, 157 to win this match for Rawalakot. Let's join their batting.
Catch it was called, but Umaid's going to have to chase this one. It's gone for 4 wide of mid-on. That's the way to end the first over. 8 for none. Pull shot. Similar shot to the one that finished the first over, and it's 4 more as well. This time off Bismillah's bat, his first boundary. Pulled again, catch called, and that's gone sailing over the fielder's head. Never in doubt. Never going to be caught that. Big shot, he's trying to heave it away, and it's gone past short fine leg for 4. So broke the shackles. Shahzad was getting frustrated, and it's gone for 4. So break in the shackles. Then to the third over, 29 for no loss. Carved it, he's carved this, and it's gone away for 4. So Bismillah, he's had a look, he's been given a bit of width and pulled away. Excellent stroke, such control in the shot. So back-to-back boundaries to finish the 4th over, 39 for no loss.
Beaten the fielder at short third. Gone for 4. Got to be super accurate when you're defending something at just around 150. Straight is safe. Straight is good. 1 bounce. Ahmed Shahzad earns another boundary. Back-to-back 4s. Oh, now that's a bad ball. It's too full. Ahmed Shahzad's form won't spare that. 1 or 2 in the slot. This is in the air. We'll take some catching. What a catch. Ahmed Shahzad's wicket has to be taken. It's important. And Ilyas realizes that he's got the big gun.
At least the first breakthrough. They needed it now. And Mohammad Ilyas providing that. Ahmed Shahzad trying to lift it over, but a bit too fast for him, and Shan Masood with a very good catch.
You saw that reaction from Shan Masood. He's had enough. He wants to qualify. He's not getting that 3rd win he's been searching for since last night. Ahmed Shahzad goes. Rawalakot Hawks lose their first 56 for 1. It's been tough out there. 4 more. Umaid Asif can't beat that. And another 4. He takes his cap off the captain. Just can't see or watch it anymore. Gone right through. It's gone into and crashed into leg stump.
Good off-spin delivery there. Kept a bit low, and Bismillah Khan playing across it. Must be disappointed, but a timely wicket, and first over from Iftikhar, first wicket. Bismillah Khan gone for 33, Rawalakot Hawks 76 for 2.
Saw these 2 batsmen going up about the job in a professional manner. That's nicely played.
And runs. Every time you stray on the leg stump.
Obviously बहुत ज़्यादा excited हैं और enjoy कर रहे हैं और बस.
Another good boundary, so runs are coming in easy for the Rawalakot Hawks. shots are so good. Timing all about it.
And straight two.
Let's look at that shot on the up. This side is going to be tough to beat, I'll tell you that.
Is that a brilliant take? And it is. The wicket's been celebrated. We won't see one of this innings in this over. That's brilliant from Umaid. Here's a good example. He's run in and he's bowled it, and that's what he should be encouraged to do. This will give us a good idea of how good this catch actually was. Second go at it and well taken in the end.
Yeah, the batsman has a smile on his face. He knows it was a juicy full toss and could have played it anywhere except to the bowler. That's a good take and they follow through. Those just get stuck in your palm, don't they? Hardly you get second opportunities.
Oh, he's bowled him. That's a good wicket.
Mohammad Ilyas getting another wicket here. This second one. Great Yorker there. And Samiullah had no clue about this delivery. Service, fast delivery by Mohammad Ilyas. Samiullah has to make the long walk. Gone for naught.
That's a good shot. He's trying to go for Yorker again, and he's just drifted into the shoes of Talat, and he's helped it on its way for four. That pull shot in front of square, and he is looking $1 million out there. That is glorious stroke, and that is as good a way as you can go to a 50 as you ever have. Leading edge, catch it. Yes, he's got him. There's another wicket in the running. Oh, ball very well. Bunker, swing and a miss. Wide, and that's the game. It's gonna end a bit of a time ending winning it with an extra, but they have dominated this game. They've won the game with 10 balls to spare, 5 wickets. The Hawks remain unbeaten.